In this video, we are going to see three things. Why did Buddhism originate, the life of Buddha, and the doctrine of Buddhism. Hello guys, I'm FJS and welcome to Chalkworld. To begin with, let us understand why Buddhism originated. There are basically two reasons. The primary reason was religious unrest in India in the 6th century BC. During that time, there were four varnas. They were the Brahmin, the Kshatriya, the Vaishyas, and the Shudras. And the supremacy of Brahmins created unrest in the society as complex rituals and sacrifices advocated in the later Vedic period were not acceptable to the common people. The sacrificial ceremonies were also found to be too expensive. Secondly, with the introduction of a new agriculture economy, the desire of Vaishyas to improve their social position increased due to growth of trade. This led to the origination of a religious movement in the post-Vedic period. To know more about Buddhism, let us have a peek in the life of Buddha. Here we will see 5 major milestones in the life of Buddha. His birth, the day he left his house, the day he received enlightenment, his first sermon, and finally his death. Now let us understand each milestone one by one. First of all, his birth, also known as Janma, with the symbol of lotus and bull. Gautam Buddha, formerly known as Siddhartha, was born to Sudhodana, the king of Kapilvastu, and Mahamaya, the princess of Koliya Republic, in 563 BC on a Purnima day at Lumbivana in Nepal. Due to the early death of his mother Mahamaya, he was raised by his aunt Mahaprajapati Gautami. Gautam Buddha was married at a very young age to Yashodhara and also had a son named Rahul. One day while Gautam Buddha was touring his kingdom, he saw 4 sights: an old man, a diseased person, a dead body, and an ascetic. And these sights were the turning point of Gautam Buddha. He asked a question to himself: why is there so much sorrow in this world? And to find out the answer for this question, he left his home. And this event of him leaving his home is called Mahabhinishikaramana, or the Great Going Forth, after which he became a wandering ascetic. While he was wandering, he came across Alara Kalama, from whom he learnt meditation. Thereafter, attaining the supremacy in meditation, he moved on and found another teacher, Udrak Ramputra. Still unable to find the answer for his question, at the age of 35, while he was sitting under a peepal tree at Bodh Gaya, presently known as Uruvela, near the bank of river Niranjana or Falgu, he attained enlightenment or nirvana. After this, he delivered his first sermon at Sarnath, and this is known as Dharma Chakra Pravartana. Gautam Buddha died at the age of 80 in 483 BC at Kushinagar, and this is known as Mahaparinirvana. Moving forward, let us see the doctrines of Buddhism. I would like to divide them into 3 parts. The first one is the 4 Noble Truths, or Chatvari Arya Satyani. The second one is the Eightfold Path, Ashtangika Marga, and the third one is the 3 Jewels of Buddhism, or Tri Ratna. If you enjoyed knowing about Buddhism, get enlightened by pressing the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in the next video.